Hi, how can you become a super achiever? We all want to become successful, enjoy financial abundance, good health, and live a happy life, right? So, what's the secret? Stay tuned that your number one enemy isn't cancer or any other deadly disease. Any guesses? It's fear. That's right. If you truly want to succeed, you must eliminate fear. Fear is the opposite of faith. Both are rooted in the future, based on a hope or a possibility, not something that's happened yet. The truth is, we are the creators of our own destiny. And that's one of my favorite saying. Another favorite saying, what you fear, you attract more quickly. Let's explore why this happens. First, let's understand who we are. Most of us focus only on our physical body, but in reality, we are spiritual beings with a soul living in a body. The other way to say, I am a spirit, I have a soul, I live in a body. Your energy defines you, and your thoughts generate that energy. If your thoughts are negative, your energy becomes negative, and you start attracting negativity. Fear, being a negative thought, turns your energy negative, leading you to attract negative outcomes. So who's responsible for it? It's you. But you can change your outcome. How? Absolutely. Let's break it down. Your thoughts leads into your words, which drives into action, shaping your destiny and energy. The energy you radiate is what you attract. Before your thoughts even form, you're influenced by your conditioning, how you are programmed from your childhood by your parents, teachers, friends, and the information you have absorbed. This shapes who you are today. Not only does this limit you, but much of what you have been taught may be false. Am I right? Anything you practice repeatedly becomes a habit, sinking deep into your subconscious mind. It's important to note that the mind and the brain are not the same. Many people have a confusion on this. The brain is a physical organ storing your data, while the mind resides in the soul, holding all of your emotions. Fear is one such emotion, deeply rooted in the subconscious mind. Even though we know fear is negative, it can be hard to let go of it. The same goes for many other emotions embedded in us. That's where we step in to help people release these deep-seated emotions from their subconscious mind and reprogram themselves for success in any area of life. And the best part, it's entirely online and it just within 2 hours. You can check out testimonies to learn more about us. And the second thing is, we have been transforming lives all over the world for past 15 years and more than 10,000 people's lives have been transformed. Do you know why many people hesitate to start a business? Any guess? It's because they fear losing money and worry about failures or competitors. That fear holds them back. But where did this fear come from? Society. Remember your school days when you got less marks and people started criticizing you, calling you a failure, or you tried to do something and many people were cautioning you not to do it. So that gets registered deep in our subconscious mind and we have the fear of starting anything new. I remember a person who attended my insurance sales training. During the session, I asked if he worked independently as an agent. He replied that he worked for a bank and had a monthly sales target of 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees. I asked if he earned any commission on top of the salary. He said no, just a fixed salary of rupees 20,000. I was surprised and told him that if he had worked independently, he could easily earn a commission of 30% commission. 30% commission, which would be around approximately 3 lakh rupees. He smiled and said, if I become an independent advisor, no one will marry me. He was worried more about his marriage. I didn't know how to respond. That's the kind of society we live in. Life is all about choices. You can live your life for yourself or to please others. But remember, the same society that holds you back will also criticize you when you don't have money. Make sense? So, are you going to live by society's fears or will you choose to create your own path to success? If serious to make a difference in your life, contact my number, just flashing on the screen here, on my WhatsApp, and I'll be there to help you out. Again, only if you're serious.